A revolution in artificial intelligence. Making movies is getting easier. Cost is decreasing. Recently, OpenAI introduced a new artificial intelligence model called Sora. So what does this artificial intelligence do? Let's answer right away. This artificial intelligence creates a beautiful 1-minute video from a prompt you enter. We have shown some sites similar to this before, including sites such as Runway ML, Pika Labs, Genmo AI, but they were creating short clips like 4 seconds. This artificial intelligence introduced by OpenAI can create up to 1 minute. At the same time, according to the videos published by the official site, it seems to be very successful. In the future, everyone will be able to turn children's animations, movies, and fantastic ideas in their minds into videos. This artificial intelligence, which has made its voice heard a lot, has excited everyone. This artificial intelligence has not yet been open to the public. Today, you will see free image to video tools that will be useful to you, even if it is not like Sora. So grab your coffee without wasting any time, and we are taking flight. You can see these videos created in the description section with their prompts. Now let's talk a little bit about the new Sora AI. Do you think this new AI will have a big impact on the movie industry? This AI is really well trained, and the model can not only create a video from text instructions, but it can also take an existing still image and create a video from it. The official site states, can animate the content of the image with accuracy and attention to small details. This model can also take an existing video and expand it or fill in missing frames. The field of artificial intelligence has gained tremendous momentum in the last 20 years, and this may continue in the future. For this reason, it is important to follow these developments and adapt to artificial intelligence today. Thanks to these artificial intelligences, you will be able to create videos and visuals that you cannot create in reality. It is really exciting to enter a fantastic prompt into Sora and visualize it and turn it into a video by increasing the realism. In our daily lives, these artificial intelligences make our work very easy. They offer us great convenience in terms of time. Maybe one day everyone will create their own movie with their life story, and we will be inspired by them. In this artificial intelligence called Sora, it scans everything on the image and converts visual data into patches according to itself. Not only that, it can make changes on any video. They are also improving simulations. It can create everything in the Minecraft game you see right now, and it's better quality. Now let's talk about alternative artificial intelligence sites similar to Sora. First of all, the first AI we will introduce is Pika Art. This artificial intelligence is one of the first artificial intelligences to introduce in the form of image to videos. I first saw and used the image to video style from this tool. To use this AI tool, you can click on the first site that comes up by typing Pika Art in Google, and you can try it by entering the Discord address. After entering the Discord channel, you can click on any of the generate rooms on the left side and enter either the animate command or gcreate and enter a prompt next to it. Then upload any image and turn it into a video. Here you can also see videos made by others. You can also get this bot on your own Discord server. I think I remember that. Our second artificial intelligence site, Runway ML, this artificial intelligence site continues to improve itself and can create different types of things such as text to video, image to video, video to video, text to image, and there is also a motion brush feature that is currently in beta. Our third artificial intelligence site is the Genmo AI site. You have seen this site in our previous videos. You can use either text to video or image to video. When you upload your image, it creates an automatic prompt for you. If you want, you can change it if you want. You can make settings in the camera motion section. Our next site is Pixverse. On this site, you can produce quality videos like the others. You can create your videos by entering a prompt and choosing one of 3 styles. These 3 styles are realistic, anime, 3D animation respectively. Then press the create button and wait for your videos to be created. What about you? Will you use this artificial intelligence after it is open to everyone? And do not forget to write your opinions about the Sora below. Stay tuned to see you in the next videos.